Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set collapsible sections on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the third option, the settings. Here click to the notes option under the dark mode and you can find the collapsible section, show a toggle to collapse or expand the section on your URL list. I use that option, but if you want to turn off, just click to the next green circle, and if it will be turned gray, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, just click that, and if it will be turned green. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.